Hello parents, welcome to Kids A to Z. Today I am sharing some maths worksheets for class 1 students. Our first worksheet is on solid shapes. Here on the top of the sheet some shapes are given like sphere, cone, cuboid, cylinder, cube, and now kids need to write the name of the solid figure that each object looks like. That means under the ball they need to write sphere. Under the book, they need to write cuboid. Under the color tin, they need to write cylinder, like that. This worksheet is on time. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time. First one is 2:30. Here, kids need to draw the hour hand and minute hand. That is, the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is on 6. It shows 2:30. Similarly, for the second picture, kids need to draw for 9 o'clock. See, the hour hand is pointing at 9 and minute hand is pointing at 12. That is 9 o'clock. Now kids need to draw hands for the other clocks like 1:30, 7 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, like that. Draw the hour hand with red and minute hand with blue to show the given time. Here first one is 4 o'clock. So here kids need to draw the hour hand with red color and minute hand with blue color. Similarly, they need to draw the hour hand with red and minute hand with blue to the other clocks also, like 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock. This one is show the given time by using red color for hour hand and blue color for minute hand and fill in the blanks. Here kids need to show the hour hand and minute hand and also need to write the time. Like for the first clock, at first they need to show the hour hand and minute hand, and in the blank beside 1:30 they need to write 1:30, or they can also write 30 minutes past 1. For the second picture, first they need to show the hour hand and minute hand, and also beside 3:30 they need to write 3:30 or 30 minutes past 3. Both are equal. Same thing is for 8:30 and 10:30 also. At first they need to draw the hands and then also need to write the time. This worksheet is on skip counting up to. To do skip count, we keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. Here kids need to skip count by 2 on all the circles starting from 2. The next number is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is already given in the sheet. Then they need to do 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then 10, 12, 14 and so on. This worksheet is on skip count of 3. Same as previous, like plus 3, then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, like that. Next one is skip count of 4. See, here I made 3 worksheets on skip counting with 2, 3 and 4, but we can do skip counting by any number. It is an important skill. It really helps with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, we can make worksheets with any number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 or even 100 for class 1 students. This worksheet is on multiplication table of 2. Here kids need to write the multiplication table of 2 like 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, like that. We all know that learning multiplication table is an essential part of our child's primary education. It not only helpful in academics, we frequently use multiplication in our daily lives also. So for class 1 student, they need to know the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Next is wheel of 10. This worksheet is nothing but a multiplication table of 10. See here in the innermost circle 10 is given, and in the second circle some numbers are given, and in the third circle, that is outermost circle, kids need to write the answers. Like in one box 80 is given, that is 10 8s are 80, so 80 is given. In the next box, for the case of 5, we need to do 10 5s are 50, so we need to write 50. Then 10 10s are 100, so here kids need to write 100. Similarly, they need to do 10 2s are or 10 7s are 10 4s are, like that. Write the number names for the given numbers. Like for the first one, 324 is given, so here In the blank, kids need to write 324. Then for 398, they need to write 398, like that. This worksheet is on subtraction. Here for the first one, kids need to subtract 23 from 26. So to do subtraction, first they need to do that with ones column. In the ones column, they need to subtract 3 from 6. And the answer is 3. That is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So they need to write 3 under the ones column, and for the tens column they need to subtract 2 from 2. So answer is 0. So under tens column they need to write 0. So here they need to write 0, 3, and also need to write the spelling of 3 in the blank. For the second subtraction, they need to subtract 24 from 48. So again they need to first subtract from ones column, that is they need to subtract 4 from 8. So the answer is 4, and they need to write 4 under ones column, and then they need to check in t's column. They need to subtract 2 from 4, and the answer is 2. So they need to write 2 under the t's column, and beside difference they need to write 24 in numbers and also in number names. In the same way they need to do all the subtraction. This worksheet is also on subtraction, but this time they need to check also the hundreds column, that is 3-digit number. First they need to check the ones column, then tens column, and then hundreds column. So for the first problem, they first need to subtract 3 from 6. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So under ones column they need to write 3, under t's column they need to write 0, and under hundreds column they need to write 2. So the answer is 203, and beside difference they need to write 203, that is 203 in numbers and also in number names. These are all simple subtraction. Here in this worksheet, regrouping is not introduced. I will make a separate worksheet on subtraction with regrouping. Next worksheet is, here pictures of few vegetables are given in a box, and kids need to count all the vegetables and color the number of blocks matching the number of vegetables with any color of their choice. Like first one is potato. First they need to count how many potatoes are there in the above box. So we can see there are 8 potatoes are there. So they need to color 8 boxes beside potato. See here I colored 8 boxes beside potato with yellow color. Kids can do this with any color. Now they need to count capsicum, then brinjal, then broccoli, carrot, like this. See here we can see there are, I think there are 7 capsicums are there. So they need to color 7 boxes beside capsicum. Then need to count how many brinjals are there, how many broccolis are there, like that. And there are 2 questions are given. First one is, which vegetable is most in number? We can see that 8 potatoes are there, so here they need to write potato. And the second question is, which vegetable is least in number? And after counting we can see that there are 4 carrots are there, so here they need to write carrot, like this. That's all for now. If you like this video, please subscribe Kids A to Z for more worksheets and learning videos. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.